How to create Wix website and earn money. Get started with Shopify quick and easy setup shopify.com. Whether you sell online on social media or in store, we have you covered. Social media integration, mobile commerce ready, 100 plus professional themes, fully hosted shop, pay at, pay at checkout, types create an online store, sell on Facebook, buy button, starting a business, finding product to sell, sell immediate internationally, creating a website, making a website. Get started now. Focus on creating great content while we do the reset, run and ads and get paid. Sign up now. Boost your quick. Create your website.com domain names from $3.90. Host your website with one click button when buying cloud server on Alibaba Cloud. Easy to use and highlight. Learn how to earn money online. Use your time to learn to earn. Make immediate money from your computer. Learn internet internship and work remotely. All. Step 1, sign up for Wix. Step 2, choose a Wix template. Step 3, design your site. Step 4, set up Wix on site. SEO, search engine optimization. Step 5, implement visitor analyst. Step 6, publish and connect to a domain name. Step 7, promote your site. Step 8, how to make a Wix website and earn money. How to create a Wix website and earn money, step by step guide. People also ask, can I earn money from Wix website? Make money from online ads. All you need to do is set up an account with an online ads platform and connect it to your website. When you create a blog on Wix, you can add Google AdSense ads to your blog and generate income anything those ads are viewed or clicked. How to monetize a blog, 15 portable strange ideas. Wix.com. How much does it cost to make a website on Wix? With Wix, all basic website can be created for free. However, if you want to add custom domain and advanced features on average with Wix, you are probably end up spending around $22 per month for your site. How much does it cost to build a website? Wix.com. Can you make a professional website with Wix? Wix is available for a free for as long as you want. If you need professionally features like you want domain name or e-commerce, you must choose from one of their premium plans ranging from combo to business VIP. Wix.com review the flexible website builders. Can you sell Wix website? No, you cannot sell through your Wix website without signing up to premium plan. However, you can build your store and get it ready to go using the free plan before then upgrading to an e-commerce plan. Wix e-commerce review 2021. Should you sell with Wix? How long does Wix take to pay? Every credit card payment processed by Wix payment goes through a settlemental period and a pending period, usually between 2 or 5 days before it's become available for payout. Once Wix payment sends to your payout to your bank, the funds usually arrive in your bank account within 3-5 business days depending on your bank. Receiving payout from a Wix website help center. Wix.com. How can I generate money? Top ways to make online and offline. No risk match betting, hands down the quickest way to make a lot of money well without breaking the law. Online survives. Paid for searching the website, online market trading, starting your own website, review website and apps for cash.